So today we're going to be swapping out the factory fog lights for one of these aftermarket LED ones off Amazon. This is a Sealight SEA light. This is just one of your generic LED drop-in bulbs. There's nothing fancy to it. In full disclosure, the company did contact me and they sent me this one for free as a trial product to do an install video and review of. So I don't necessarily endorse or recommend this product. I'm just going to install it, do a simple install and review, and let you guys decide for yourselves whether it's going to be a good drop-in solution for you. Install on these trucks is really simple. We'll go through that, and it shouldn't take you more than 5 to 10 minutes. So I've got the bulb here, and it's 20 bucks on Amazon, and it looks pretty good for being a $20 Chinese import LED bulb here. And it's got 6 LED diodes on 4 sides of this column, and then on top there's a convex kind of projector-like dome with 3 LED diodes on the inside. It looks pretty good. It comes in a package like this with 2 of them, 1 for each side. It's really simple, and so all you got to do to install them is you're just going to reach up here behind the factory fender liner and grab that LED bulb and remove it, and I'll show you how to do it now. So installing these bulbs is really simple. All you got to do is reach up here behind the factory wheel liner, feel around for that bulb, grab it, give it a twist counterclockwise, and it should come free. And it'll fall down. You just have a standard light clip you got to undo. And there is your factory bulb. Plug in your aftermarket bulb, or whatever your replacement is. And then just put it back in the housing and rotate clockwise. So there we have it. The driver's side fog light is installed. You can see the color temperature compared there with the halogen headlamp. The color temperature on these fog lights, these LED ones specifically, is about 5,000, which is right in that white zone. It's just a slight bit of blue, which will go good once I get my LED headlight bulbs put in. We'll take a look comparing them at the factory halogen here, and you can see it's much wider. Once it gets dark, we'll do a nighttime shot to see how it looks at night. So here's the LED on the left and the factory on the right, both on at the same time. And then here's just the LED on the left, and then here's going to be just the factory on the right. And you can see that the factory one puts out quite a bit more light and throws a little bit farther. Here's a side-by-side comparison. And so it's really hard to recommend this light just based on light output, but if you're looking for something for aesthetics to match, you know, an LED headlight or something, this will work really well, but it's not going to give you the total light output as a factory halogen would.